Hey, good day to you. This is Rain, founder of Forex 100. So today on the weekly market analysis, let's look at pound dollar, shall we? So pound dollar on the daily chart, what we see over here is as a confirmation on a bearish move at this moment. And traders, if you are looking for a buying opportunity, don't jump right in right now. Make sure you finish this video. I'm going to give you some suggestion or some opportunity I see as well. Down to the 4-hour chart, on the 4-hour chart, a bearish movement, and there is a bearish continuation or at least a bearish trend trading setup opportunity over here. And if you are a trained harmonic pattern trader, you should be able to spot it. If you are not able to spot it, drop us a note and we'll see if you are a good fit for our students. And of course, if you have spotted it, down to the 1-hour chart as well, another harmonic pattern, a clue is a different one, different starting point at least. And scan this QR code and you'll be brought to our website over here. And in our website, what you can do is that to share your trading analysis over here. I've spoken this over and over so many times, and I get a bit sick of tired of it, but it's your choice to choose whether you want to be an ordinary trader or extraordinary trader. So an extraordinary trader will always love to get himself accountable. All right, so by sharing your trade over here, it's a commitment that you have and trust and faith that you have in your trading setup. Put it over here, open up for people discussion and opinion how the trading setup is. And usually I may not reply right away because I want to see how the group interact. We have more than 190 traders right now in the Telegram group. And I know you guys are watching because my group are growing without me advertising in other platforms and anyway. And this is the only time that I share with you there is this thing over here. And definitely I'm happy that we are building a group of thinking traders. That's what I like, and that's what I don't like is people just following other people trading ideas blindly without knowing the reason. And I'm very, very fortunate, for 10 over years in my coaching, in fact 14 years of my coaching journey. The people I tend to attract are people who are looking to excel and grow. All right, so that's what I'm happy about. Scroll down further, you can see that over here there are free courses for you to learn how to trade. If you want to find out more how to set stop loss, the secret formula of my buffer. Usually when people talk about secret formula, they will sell you whatever fee and they will try to upsell you. Okay, this is not what we do over here. I'll teach you right away for free. Just watch through each and every training and step out of the comfort zone. Earlier on, I see this very cute hamster that put into a maze, and I love how the hamster actually think out of the box. Check out my LinkedIn profile. I've already shared in the article and post. You can click that and have a look over there. But learn how we set our stop loss and buffer in these kind of settings. You might get it within seconds, if not minutes of watching the video. But on my end, I have spent 5.5 years to confirm and test and back test, forward test, see all the results, and came to this conclusion by using this special formula. And it's all presented to you for free because we really want to help you. All right, even let's say some of you might have difficulties to fork out money and set aside. The funniest thing that I receive, and I'm not saying that anything that is in a not respectful way, but message I often receive are, hey, I really want to be in your course, in your trading, but because I do not have money, wait till I have money, I will hop in. Well, the matter of fact, that's not realistic, and that's not living in the real world, if you get what I'm trying to say. Because people go into trading, investment is unlike what most people thought of. Once you earn enough money, you save enough, then go into investment. In fact, I have came to teach and coach a lot of people who are struggling to even attend our courses and stuff. And not that we are selling very high ticket price item, and that's the problem, correct? And they attend the course because they want to learn a way how to earn more money without spending or committing time, because they might have 2 jobs already, or they just need more money and they need money to work for them as well when they are sleeping, correct? So yeah, that's the truth, correct? So if you want to really own that part of the truth, then get going, check with us if you want to hop in to get our coaching, get into our groups. We love to have you right away, then you save a lot of time. However, if you want to try out yourself and see if you can figure out, there's a free course over there. I would suggest you not to hop around and watch all the content and mess up your brain, and one day you want us to coach you, then you have to unlearn things. And why not just go for our free content over here? It saves you all the troubles and hassle as well. Alright, so scroll down further, you can even see some of our trading ideas. Some of the similarity that you can look through all our trading ideas is our target 2 will always have a potential returns of 2:1 at a minimum. Most of our trades, I can safely say 90% of our trades are that way, because it put you an edge over the other traders and over the market as well. So let us head back to our daily charts over here and share with you my analysis at this part. Okay, so on the daily chart, let's see what we have over here. On the daily chart, we have a bearish shark pattern, okay, that you can look for a shorting opportunity at 1.3194 for a shorting opportunity over on the 4-hour chart. 1-hour chart, I'm so sorry. So let's rewind back a bit. On the daily chart, what we have over here, if you are looking for a buying opportunity, there's a crab pattern setup. You can wait for a buying opportunity at a much lower price, and 1.2808 will be the price for you to look for your counter trend trades. And I want to shift one time frame higher on the weekly chart. So this zone over here is the supply zone, fancy terms aside. This is the small area that we are looking for a shorting opportunity, or let's say if you are buying up, this will be the level that the market is most likely going to consolidate, and that is a cue for traders who chose to buy to at least shift stops entry and reanalyze, if they should want to take profits earlier, which is actually not a good idea in most cases, unless you're very familiar with what you are doing. So down to the daily chart, this supply zone I have shared across all time frame, because as it is a weekly setup, is rather important. So for crab pattern of myself, I will not buy it right away after the confirmation. I'll wait for a retest, and that will create an additional support for this entire setup over here. However, I would also love to receive the notification once it happened. Okay, and I write in my own language, own code, because it's simple for me to read from smartphone or smartwatches, so I receive the notification right away. Down to the 4-hour chart, there is a shark pattern completion at 1.3371. You can wait for a shorting opportunity, and this is a trend trading setup. Even if it passed the weekly supply zone, is fine. And to the 1-hour chart, we have talked about this earlier on. You can see that there is no box, there's no PRZ, because it is on a line. That means the completion price is on the line, and it happens to be a type 2 of the previous shark pattern. That at least at the minimum, I can expect some consolidation that happens when the market retests this level as well. Alright, so if you love this kind of trading and you want to learn more, you want to see changes in your financial, you want to see improvement, you want to able to read this candlestick chart, and you do not have any financial background, it's fine, because that's how we coach our students as well. We do not do courses like beginner, advanced, and expert, because I disagree with that kind of system. I'm more into, you let me know what you want to get, you want to be the outcome you want to get, like you want to just trade at home or prepare yourself to work for people in the financial industry, even without financial cert. People recognize our cert, by the way, in the financial sector. Or you want to run your own business, so we prepare you and train you based on this path. And of course, of the later two, there are tasks that I will ask you to do, and if you attend the training and not doing anything, those tasks are easily completed within a week. But if you choose not to do it, there's not much changes you can expect. Alright, so that's pretty much I have for you. If you're in for this, drop us a note. We'll see if you're a good fit. And till then, remember always plan your trade and treat your plan. Take care.